What I learned was that in order to achieve great success in life, you must become a special kind of person. To rise above the majority, you must develop qualities and disciplines the average person lacks. The most important factor in achieving great financial success is not the money. It is the kind of person you have to become to earn that money and hold on to it. The author, Brian Tracy. Before I dive into the secrets, I want to quickly explain a simple yet powerful law which will motivate you to apply these secrets shared by Tracy in the book. That law is the law of cause and effect. It simply states that for every effect there is a cause, for every action a reaction. Now this law simply tells us that financial success is not an accident, but it's the result of doing certain specific things over and over again until you reach the financial success that you so greatly desire. So if you implement routines and habits which self-made millionaires practice, you'll logically experience far more results and rewards than what you've experienced up until now. And remember, repetition is king. Practice these principles consistently till they become as natural as breathing to you. Success secret number 1. Dream big dreams. Dream big dreams. Only big dreams have the power to move men's souls. Marcus Aurelius. Allow yourself to dream massively. Fantasize about the life you would like to live. All great men and women who have graced the earth began with a dream much different than the current reality they had to experience. To begin the process of conjuring up big dreams for your life, consistently ask yourself, what life would you like to create for yourself and your family if your potential were completely unlimited? And then practice back from the future thinking, which will have an unbelievable effect on your mind and your behavior. Simply imagine that 5 years has passed and every aspect of your life is perfect. What does that life look for you? What do you spend your days doing? What are you driving? How much money are you earning? What does your bank account look like? What's the kind of lifestyle that you have, etc. Then slowly come back and evaluate the steps you think you'll need to take to get yourself there. The more clear your vision is for your long-term future, the more it will move towards you. Allowing yourself to dream big dreams will increase your self-confidence, self-esteem, and levels of happiness. Because seeing yourself on a consistent basis living the life of your dreams are extremely exciting, which will stimulate you to do and be better than ever before. Dreaming big dreams is the starting point of becoming a self-made millionaire and being a great financial success. Success secret number 2. Develop a clear sense of direction. A person with a clear purpose will make progress on even the roughest road. A person with no purpose will make no progress on even the smoothest road. Thomas Carlyle. Translate your dreams into clear, specific goals in order to make them real, instead of something which you just consistently daydream about. One of the most important distinctions in life is that you become what you think about most of the time. And all successful self-made people think about their goals most of the time. And as a result, they are continually moving towards their goals and their goals are continually moving towards them. A 7-step formula for setting and achieving goals that you can use to become a self-made millionaire. 1. Decide exactly what you want in each area of your life, especially your financial life, because most people don't. 2. Write your goals down. I can't stress enough how important it is to have your goals in writing. 3. Set deadlines. Give yourself a target to aim at, and remember to set sub-deadlines if your goal is big enough. 4. List everything you think you'll need to do to achieve the goal. 5. Use your list to conjure up a plan of action, listing the first steps you need to take and what actions are more important compared to others. Modify and adapt the plan as you go along and make more distinctions. 6. Take action immediately. Do not procrastinate. Watch my video on how to conquer procrastination if you happen to struggle with this. And finally, the 7th and most important step is to commit yourself to daily action. Promise yourself to move at least 1 step closer, even if it's just an inch, to your most important goal. Do not lose momentum. Success secret number 3. See yourself as self-employed. From now on, accept complete 100% responsibility for everything you are and everything you will ever be. Simply refuse to make excuses and to blame circumstances or people for your problems and your shortcomings. Know that if there is something in your life that you don't approve of, it is completely up to you to change it. You are in charge. The biggest mistake that you can ever make in this life is to think you work for anyone other than yourself. If you see yourself as being self-employed, you will develop an entrepreneur mentality, because instead of waiting for things to happen, you go and make things happen. And listen, if you look to external factors, albeit consciously or subconsciously, to excuse yourself for not being where you want to be, you can forget about ever becoming a self-made millionaire. Be even more important, a fulfilled person who is content with themselves and their lives. I hope you guys enjoyed part 1 of how to become a self-made millionaire, and if you did, I'd really appreciate it if you can leave a like, and I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next parts.